get you to a big breaking update that is now coming in of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi writing to the candidates in the upcoming third phase of elections. And the Prime Minister is now asking them, and rather making that appeal, that this time around there would be a word that is raised against aggressive politics of the Congress, of the opposition bloc, including their agenda to give reservations to Muslims by snatching it from the STs and the OBCs. Sagarika, this has been the main poll agenda that the Prime Minister has been frequently raising.
And this is the letter as tweeted by Mansukh Mandavia, and this is the letter that the Prime Minister wrote. And we have a copy of it. I'm going to read out from it. Amita, मेरे साथी कार्यकर्ता मनसुख भाई मंडाविया जी, आपको ये पत्र लिखते हुए आशा करता हूं कि आप कुशल मंगल से होंगे। बहुत कम उम्र में आप भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के नेता बने और आपने विभिन्न पदों पर रहते हुए संगठन के लिए कार्य किया है। This is a long letter written by the Prime Minister. Just trying to zoom it in over here so that we can get out more excerpts for our viewers. Amita, if you could just give me 1 second while I try zooming this in and we read and while you tell our viewers about what this letter is about.
No, absolutely, because Sagrika, as far as his intent is also concerned, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached out to each and all of the candidates this time who are fighting the elections on behalf of the BJP. And we also have Mohit with us. Of course, we'll get down to the excerpts and the main points, exactly what is there in that letter. Mohit, if you can get us the highlights, exactly what the Prime Minister this time around is making an appeal to the candidates who will be fighting the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections. Yes, Mohit.
Well, Amita, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has written a letter to all the 92 candidates which were going into fray in the third phase of elections. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this particular letter has wished them luck. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and I would like to read from that letter, which has been also tweeted by Mansukh Mandavia, BJP's candidate, where he says that the Congress party and the India alliance, that's a major political attack in this letter by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that the Congress party and the Indian alliance are indulging in divisionary politics. They are trying to incite violence in the country. Now, I urge all the candidates of the BJP to go on the ground and tell voters that how
करने की जो अपील है वो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की तरफ से की गई है. Yes, Sagrika, I believe you have the main points.
So what the Prime Minister said is, again, I'm just going to read out from the letter. We read out the first line. मध्यम वर्गीय किसान परिवार से आने के कारण अपने मतदाताओं से आपका जुड़ाव रहा है. आपने कुछ वर्ष पहले अपनी डॉक्टरेट के उपाधि पूरी की, जो कई लोगों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है. 2004 में आपने बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ के लिए 123 किलोमीटर लंबी पैदल यात्रा का आयोजन किया, जो कि एक सराहनीय कदम है. कैबिनेट में मेरे सहयोगी के रूप में मैंने आपको इस क्षेत्र में आपको बड़ी मेहनत करते हुए देखा है. लघु उद्यमियों के लिए पीएम भारतीय जन औषधि केंद्र स्थापित करने और उन्हें उन्नत बनाने के लिए आपने कार्य किया, वो भी उल्लेखनीय है. प्रधानमंत्री भारतीय जन औषधि परियोजना पहल के तहत 5200 से अधिक जन औषधि भंडार स्थापित करने के लिए आपके सक्रिय उपाय अत्यधिक सराहनीय है. महिलाओं की स्वास्थ्य देखभाल पहले और जन औषधि भंडारों के माध्यम से 10 करोड़ सैनिटरी नैपकिन वितरित करने में आपका योगदान.
लास्ट पैराग्राफ जो है उसके ऊपर अगर आप इफ यू कैन फोकस ऑन दैट, बिकॉज़ मेनली ही इज नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द कांग्रेस एंड द डिविजनरी पॉलिटिक्स.
Yes, we'll go through that. Yes, we'll go through that, Amita. But since this is the letter of the Prime Minister, getting our viewers through all the details of this letter. Now, in this letter, Prime Minister also goes on to say, like you mentioned, that what did the Prime Minister tell Mansukh Mandavia?